Welcome back to our Narayana IIT Academy online classes. Today I am going to explain you few problems from 3D coordinate system. So these questions are from practice book. So let us start the class. Problem number 19. So here the question is the coordinates of a point 3 comma minus 7 comma 5 in the new system when the origin is shifted to minus 4 comma 3 comma 9 is what? So this question is from the translation of access topic. So here what we have, one point is given to us. What is that? 3 comma minus 7 comma 5. So the coordinates of these points are what? According to the new system. Okay, when the origin is shifted to some point minus 4 comma 3 comma 9 is given to us. Now we have to find the coordinates with respect to the new system. So the coordinates with respect to original system we have here. So first of all we have to write the given point. What is that? 3 comma minus 7 comma 5. With respect to original system they are saying, so we have to consider as small x is equals to 3, small y is equals to minus 7 and small z is equals to 5. So new origin, that means origin shifted point we have here. So generally we denote it by small h comma small k comma small l. So here we are taking minus 4 minus 3 9 as small h comma small k comma small l. So here we need to find what? We need to find the coordinates of the point with respect to the original new system. Okay, with respect to new system we have to find. So everybody know that the formula for coordinates of the point with respect to new system is capital X comma capital Y comma capital Z is equals to small x minus h comma small y minus k comma small z minus l. Just here we have small x, small h, small y, small k and small z, small l values. Just we have to substitute in this formula. So here 3 minus of minus 4 becomes what? Plus 7. So 3 plus 4 becomes 7 here. Next minus 7 minus 3, minus 7 minus 3 is what? Minus 10 we are getting here. Next 5 minus 9. So minus 4 we are getting. So in given options 2 is the correct one. So key is what? 2. Now we move on to the next question. Problem number 20. So here the question is equation to the locus of a point which are equal distance from the points 1 comma minus 3 comma 4 and 1 comma 3 comma 4. Anyhow we have 2 points here and here equation of locus of a point they are saying, just make underline at locus of a point. Okay, and now equal distance they are saying, there is a condition. The condition is what? Equal distance from the given points. Now if we go for the question, first of all we have to consider a locus point. So let p x comma y comma z be point on locus. Now consider the given points as capital A and capital B. So let capital A is equals to 1 comma minus 3 comma 4 and capital B is equals to 1 comma 3 comma 4. Now we have to go for the given condition. So according to the given condition we can write PA is equals to PB. So for simplification purpose we have to take squaring on both sides here. So here PA and PB are nothing but the distance between the points. So here by using a distance formula we are getting x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square plus z minus 4 whole square is equals to PB square is nothing but x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square plus z minus 4 whole square. Now here x minus 1, better you bring these 3 terms inside of the equals to, then you know that plus becomes what? Minus and minus becomes what? Plus. So here plus x minus 1 whole square becomes what? Minus x minus 1 whole square And next, plus y minus 3 whole square becomes what? Minus y minus 3 whole square. And plus z minus 4 whole square becomes what? Minus z minus 4 whole square, which is equals to what? 0. Now, plus x minus 1 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square will be gets cancelled. Next, plus z minus 4 whole square minus z minus 4 whole square will be gets cancelled. Now, the remaining are what? Y plus 3 whole square and minus y minus 3 whole square. So, those are in a minus b and a plus b whole square form. So, we have to expand those two terms. So, we get y square plus 6y plus 9, and here we get minus of y square minus 6y plus 9. Now, by simplifying, we get 12y is equals to 0. So, directly we can write that y is equals to 0. So, in our given options, y is equals to 0 is the correct one. So, we have to go with key 2. We move on to the next question. So, here the question is, if the distance of P from 1 comma 1 comma 1 point is given to us is equals to double the distance of P from the y-axis. From the y-axis they are saying, then locus of P is what? So, here we have locus point. One condition we have, the distance of P, which is nothing but locus point, from 1 comma 1 comma 1 is equals to double the distance of P from y-axis. So, first of all, we have to consider a locus point P x comma y comma z. Okay. Next, we have to consider the given point as A 1 comma 1 comma 1. Now, we have to know that the distance of P x comma y comma z from the y-axis is what? Root over x square plus z square. Now, we have to go for the given condition. So, PA is equals to what? 2 times of root over x square plus z square. Now, by squaring on both sides, PA becomes what? PA square, and here 2 square becomes what? 4 here, and the root of x square plus z square whole square becomes what? X square plus z square. Now, PA square is nothing but the distance between 2 points. So, square is there, so under root won't be there. So, by using distance formula, we get x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square plus z minus 1 whole square there. Next, 4 times of x square plus z square. Now, we have to simplify it. So, multiply the total term with x4. So, we get here 4x square plus 4z square. Now, better you take all these terms outside of the equals to, then you know that plus becomes what? Minus, and minus becomes what? Plus. So, here plus x square becomes what? Minus x square, plus y square becomes what? Minus y square, plus z square becomes what? Minus z square here, and plus minus 2x becomes what? Plus 2x. Next, minus 2y becomes what? Plus 2y, and minus 2z becomes what? Plus 2z, and plus 3 becomes what? Minus 3. Now, 4x square minus x square, 3x square. Next only one y square term is there, so we have to write minus y square. Next, 4z square minus z square is there, so 3z square. Next, 2x plus 2y plus 2z minus 3 is equals to 0. So, if we go for the given options, first option is the correct one, so we have to go with key 1. We have gone to the next question, problem number 22. So, here the question is, the locus of a point which is equidistant from xy plane and yz plane is what? Okay. So, first of all, we have to consider the locus point, which is nothing but p x comma y comma z. And now, you have to know the formula that the distance of p from xy plane is what? Modulus of z, and the distance of p from yz plane is what? Mod x, where here p is nothing but x comma y comma z. Now according to the given condition, here we can take that modulus of z is equals to modulus of x. Now by squaring on both sides we get z square minus z square is equals to x square. But in given options we have to check the combination. So here y square minus z square is there, x square minus z square is there, and here x square minus y square is there, x square plus y square is there. So in xz combination we have this one. So we have to take this z square outside of the equals to, then this plus z square becomes what, minus z square. So we get x square minus z square is equals to 0. So now in our given options, second option is the correct one. So we have to go with key 2. Thank you.